I'm going to continue the series of the Daf Yomi today, and actually we are going to relate over about the Birkhat Kohanim, the priestly blessings. In today's Daf, it's Lamed Chet of Masechet Sotah, that's page 38, naturally translated in Hebrew. And it's very, very interesting today. Actually, the whole laws of Birkhat Kohanim, the priestly blessings, actually come from Parshat Naso, which is actually the longest parsha inside the Torah, of 176 verses. And it's actually interesting here on this Pesach Sheni also, that is also in the parsha next to it. So it's very interesting. Birkhat Kohanim comprises of three different blessings, three different brachot, which the priest, the Kohanim, is going to say. Actually, naturally, it's every Shacharit service, especially all over Chutz La'aretz and in Israel, naturally, especially for Sephardim, and just everyone in Israel would say naturally Birkhat Kohanim on the Shacharit service. Obviously, if it's a fast day, during the Mincha service also, and so on. Okay, so what's interesting is there was a difference in the Bet HaMikdash time period and outside the Bet HaMikdash time period, the temple period, of the Birkhat Kohanim prayer. In two different aspects specifically. The Talmud in today's stuff is going to relate over, especially the Mishnahs. The way that Hashem's name, God's name, is pronounced, is it actually the way it is written or the way it is said? That is one of the things. And also, another thing is the way that the Kohanim, the priests, would actually hold their hands. That was another significant thing, the difference between the Bet HaMikdash period and outside the Bet HaMikdash period. But what if the Talmud today is going to pose a question, what if everyone happens to be Kohanim inside the minyan? So the chance of this is very, very small, statistically, very highly unlikely to happen. What if that is going to be the case scenario here? So Rav Ada is going to quote Rav Samlai, saying that the blessing is said the normal way, naturally. You would say it normally, and actually it's so potent, the blessing is, that Rav Zera actually says that the bracha of the Birkhat Kohanim is going to affect the Jewish people working in the fields, even the people that are not inside the service at that point in time. However, the Breita also says that if it's a case scenario where everyone is naturally going to be Kohanim in the minyan, so some of the people should sit down and listen to bracha, while some of the others will actually say the blessing themselves respectively. Some of them will, the Kohanim will rise and will respond appropriately to it. So about the Birkhat Kohanim, it's such a potent blessing, and many Rabbonim that actually traveled from Israel to go to Chutz La'aretz, where they would actually specifically go to a minyan where they would do the Birkhat Kohanim, because that's how potent the prayer is. And it's very interesting at that time when we are with our kids in the Bet Knesset and there's a priestly blessing being taken place. It's very important, it's a very good idea to bless one's children, put the talit and the hand under their child so that the child could also receive that potent blessing. Guys, I wish you an awesome Shabbat Shalom Barach, and enjoy. Take care. Finish. Yeah.
Finish?
Yeah. Where is it? Let's get it.